Okay, today we are talking about tape measure tips and basics. So we're talking about tape measures today. This one's a 25 footer. Pretty ubiquitous. Comes with a belt clip there, you see. And I'll explain what that 3 1/8 means in a minute. So some quick notes about tape measures. I prefer wider is better than skinnier. And as far as the increments go on a tape measure, this one's standard, so inches and feet. So you can see it's broken down into eighth, quarter, 3/8, half inch, 5/8, 3/4 of an inch, 7/8. So one line is a 16th, two lines is an eighth, four lines is a quarter. Also, the 16 looks different than the other numbers because studs are 16 inches on center. Another trick, see that slot? It's designed to clip onto a screw or a nail like this. Little trick for you there. Also, you'll note this end piece here. See how it moves? It's loose. It's supposed to be like that. When it's pushed in, that's for inside measurements. When it's pushed out, that's for outside measurements. You see that?
Wow.
Now here's a metric and standard tape measure. So you see on one side we got feet and inches. The other side's metric. Now you'll see a number on the back of tape measures. This one, it's hard to see on camera. It says 2 3/4 inches right there. That means the width or the length of this tape measure body is 2 3/4 inches. You see there? So that can help you measure when you're down inside a tight space. This one is 3 1/8 inches wide. That's where I wrote it on there. This one has a built-in pencil sharpener right there. Non-slip grip, belt clip. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.